Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Anton Nguyen, your Saigon realtor in the Greater Vancouver area. And today I'm extremely excited to bring you out to 202 8 Laguna Court in New Westminster. Now this beautiful townhouse is a 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom with over 1,724 square feet. The owner have renovated throughout the years. They've done from the top floor to the bottom floor throughout the whole kitchen, bedroom, and every single room here has a beautiful view overlooking out to the serene pond and a fountain view. Hey, welcome back to my channel guys, and for any of you who've not met me, my name is Anton Nguyen with eXp Realty, serving the Greater Vancouver area and the Fraser Valley here. And for any of you who's looking to buy, sell, invest, or even relocate in this area, my job here is to be that guy that you can always count on in providing you all the resources for you to make that critical decision. I'm incredibly excited to show you this beautiful townhouse. Follow me guys.
But you're not, cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones in today, toast to the ones that we lost on the way, cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember, and I did not know no pain, when I believe in forever, everything will stay the same. Now I'm happy I remember, somebody say your name, cause I can't reach out and call you. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday, but everything gon' be alright, only the blessings say, here's to the ones that we got, cheers to the wish you were here tonight, cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been that sometimes everybody hurts something, everything gon' be alright. I'm really Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here tonight. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones in today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring There's a time that I remember, and I did not know no pain. When I believe in forever.
Thank you so much for taking the tour with me. And for more information about this property or any other property, contact me directly.